You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this originally Greek general, Macedonian general. If you want to learn more names from ancient Greece, ancient Rome, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you you'll want to learn from and listen to. The English pronunciation, in Latin it'd be said as Seleucus Nicator. English pronunciation, however, is normally as Seleucus. Some may say it also as Seleucus, which is also correct, but Seleucus Nicator, or in American English, Nicator. Seleucus Nicator. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.